The next practical will be a Nigerian woman cooking an African dish in a restaurant. So make sure your write-up is correct. So before you paste your prompt here in the text box, make sure you set up your clips the way it should appear. Make sure you set this one as we did in the first one. Then you click on this arrow facing right, this purple arrow. When you click on it, then wait for the video to be generated. So just give it 1 to 2 minutes and the video will be generated. Alright, the video is ready, but take note, down here they say that Canva can make mistake. Please check for accuracy. So once you notice any mistake in your prompt or from the video that AI generated for you, you will see this text box here written ask me anything. So you can click there, then ask AI to regenerate it. So like from here now, the AI did not slice the okra and is served on top of the pounded yam. So I have to tell the AI that you should make sure that the okra is sliced and should be in different plates from the pounded yam. So he said, okay, got it. I will make sure the okra is sliced and served in a different plate from the pounded yam. Please wait a moment. So after this is the one he created last. Let's play and see. You can click here if you want to edit this video inside Canva. You can click this place, the Canva editor. Click on it. Here you can add more clip. Maybe you have generated more than 2 or 3. You can click here to add from blank gallery media. Click on media. You can search for other stuff or upload from your already existing videos. You can click on photos to search for the one you want, or click on video. So search for anyone you need. You can come here and search for vegetable soup. So this available vegetable soup here. You can click on one to add. Then it doesn't have sound. You are the one that will add sound. So come here, scroll down to this place, click on audio, search for the audio that we use. Or rather come here to search audio. Can you use this? Okay, let's go with this. So this is how it will now play. So you can bring it closer here. Then click on this plus icon to add transition. You can add this transition to it or this. So let's look for this one. So let's go with this circle wipe. Duration is okay. So this site will now play. So you can see add more clips. So once you are done, come to this place up here. This place, you see this upload icon. click on it, click on downloads. Then the setting, the quality is 1080 HD. So once the setting is okay, you can adjust if you want, so that the quality will come out. And click on download. So wait for the video to download, and that's it.